Ever spent weeks wrestling with a JavaScript codebase, only to realize you're drowning in undefined variables and runtime errors? Untyped code isn't just messy, it's a productivity sinkhole. The TypeScript Migration Pack gives you progressive migration frameworks with AST-based code analysis, automated type definition generation via JSDoc inference, strict mode configuration templates with ESLint integration, and battle-tested refactoring workflows. Whether you're a front-end dev drowning in React prop types, a full-stack engineer battling Node.js APIs, or a team lead trying to tame technical debt, this pack turns chaos into clarity. Spoiler alert, strict mode isn't just a compiler flag, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's what's inside the TypeScript Migration Pack. Data preparation with smart chunking strategies. Automated type inference pipelines using Babel and TSC diagnostics. Strict mode configuration with ZeroConfig ESLint plugins. Refactoring blueprints for React components and Node.js modules. Documentation frameworks with Mermaid diagram generation. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just migration, it's a full stack type transformation factory, ready to supercharge your development pipeline. Installing the TypeScript migration pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add typescript-migration-pack. That's it. You get the entire workflow: migration frameworks, type inference engines, config templates, and documentation generators. No PhD in compiler theory required. Your next Claude Code session picks up the tooling automatically. Your AI assistant now understands JSX transformations, can debug type errors in real time, and even explains migration trade-offs using your codebase context. This pack doesn't just install, it transforms your entire development ecosystem into a type-safe powerhouse.